Is it possible to detect changes or alterations in composites? Graphene can detect these fluctuations due to its high electrical conductivity. In this case, we have a pipe made of unsaturated polyester resin, doped with graphene, and reinforced with fiberglass. This formulation allows the electrical conductivity of the material to vary in response to any alteration, such as vibration, impact, high temperatures, etc. In this way, it is possible to detect any failure or accident instantly, allowing timely action in case of any incident. Applied to pipelines, gas and oil tanks, or even in the automotive industry, graphene's fast-acting capability improves safety and prevents major disasters. Discover more solutions for your industry. Are you ready?